Motorola has confirmed that the Edge 70 Max will launch in India on July 15th. The smartphone will be offered in light green and light blue color options. The handset will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, a flat 6.82-inch Extreme AMOLED display featuring a Quad HD Plus resolution, uniform ultra-thin bezels, a 144Hz refresh rate, and an extraordinary peak brightness of up to 7,000 nits. Features a square-shaped rear camera module housing a 50MP primary camera using a Sony LYT710 sensor, accompanied by ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, a 32MP or 50MP sensor for selfie. Equipped with a massive 7,100 mAh silicon carbon battery, it supports 90W turbo power wired charging alongside category-first 25W Qi2 magnetic wireless charging, functioning similarly to Apple's MagSafe system. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.